Rivet has revamped and increased the functionality of the dashboard feature. We call this new feature Labor Demand Graphs. When you log in and land on your dashboard, it will now be dissected into 3 sections. The first being labor demand, here. Then summary. This is your classic dashboard experience in Rivet. And the third being your chart library. Starting here in labor demand, you will get some prompts on the left-hand side to assist you in the transition to these new labor demand graphs. One thing of note, if you X out of these prompts and dismiss them, they will no longer show up in this view. It is important to follow the links and read through this information before you dismiss this message. Navigating to the chart library section, we're going to add a new shared chart. Here, you'll be able to name the chart, decide whether you're going to display stats for the entire company or a subset of your data, depicted by the display groups of your choosing. Use cases for this function include the ability to display a labor chart for specific project managers, while excluding jobs managed by other project managers, or to create a labor chart for certain divisions within your organization. For example, if I wish to view the labor demand for jobs in the East and West divisions only, I can make that selection and save this chart for easy access in the future. This checkbox will enable you to include jobs without the specific tag attached. Maybe I want to see jobs in my East and West divisions while also including every job that does not have a division tag attached. You're able to choose a date range, number of weeks in the past, number of weeks in the future, to be displayed. For the prospective jobs toggle, we're talking about job statuses. In your Manage Organization page, you're able to depict which job statuses are going to fall into this prospective jobs bucket. You can choose if this graph is going to show the scheduled workers for this data set. Lastly, you can toggle on or off the line that shows today's active workforce for your organization. Once you save your newly designed chart, it will live here in the chart library. When selecting a chart in the chart library, you're given some additional options. If prospective jobs is toggled on for this specific chart, the number of prospective jobs in this chart will be noted here. This is a clickable button that will bring up a drawer displaying each prospective job and its current status. Here, you have the ability to edit this shared chart. The kebab menu on the right will open a drop-down, giving you options to view this chart in a full screen, copy and share a link to this chart, or print it as a PDF. You could duplicate the parameters of this chart into a new one, or if you've recently made changes to your forecast or labor allocations, it's a good idea to hit the refresh button if you don't see those changes reflected right away. You also have the ability to show this chart on the dashboard or remove it from the dashboard. Over here under Labor Demand, you'll be viewing all of the charts you have bookmarked to the Labor Demand dashboard. On the left side of your Labor Demand dashboard will be a Labor Demand audit, displaying some high-level information regarding jobs that may need some extra attention. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Rivet's customer success team, and I hope the rest of your day is great.